Movingui, Ayan, Nigerian satinwood. Ayan is a tropical hardwood native to Nigeria. It is pale yellow in color, and its heartwood can range from a lemon yellow to golden brown, sometimes with dark streaks. It has a wavy and interlocked grain pattern, and when quarter sawn, it displays a striped and mottled figure. Its surface has a glossy sheen with a fine, even texture, and it can contain silica particles. Ayan is often used for windows and doors, but it can be challenging to paint or coat due to its tendency to burn through the finish. To successfully paint or coat Ayan, it must be de-oiled and a blocking primer should be used. Material type hardwood, also called Nigerian satinwood, Ayanran Movingui Bare Bonsamdua Ayen. Properties. Ayan is a hard and dense wood with medium bending strength. Compression strength is good along the grain and high crushing strength. It has low stiffness and shock resistance. Severe blunting on tools can occur, and a certain resistance to cutting due to silica in the wood. Saw blades can become clogged. A good finish can be obtained if the surface is pre-filled. Nailing and screwing requires pre-drilling. Glues very well. Ayan is not suitable for areas like kitchens because the yellow dye in the pores is soluble in water, which result in staining. Color and appearance. Yellow to orangish brown, darkening with age. Frequently exhibits figured grain patterns such as mottle or curl. Grain and texture. Grain can vary from straight to interlocked to wavy. Texture is fine and even, with a good natural luster. Moisture content, 12 to 18% KD. Distribution: West Africa. Tree size, 100 to 125 feet tall and 3 to 5 feet trunk diameter. Workability. Generally the wood is easy to work, though Movingui can have up to 1.3% silica content by weight, which may result in moderate to severe blunting effects. Quarter-sawn surfaces are inclined to tear out during planing, and charring of the wood may occur during drilling. Movingui glues, stains and finishes well. Responds moderately well to steam bending. Common uses: veneer, cabinetry, furniture and flooring. Pricing and availability. Usually available as veneer. Solid lumber is also occasionally available. Cost is in the mid to upper range for an imported hardwood, with higher prices for figured pieces. Thanks for watching.